Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making Swirl Soap. So I'll measure 5.5 ounces of lye or caustic soda. So you can see it reading on my digital weigh balance. When you're using lye or caustic soda, make sure you're wearing hand gloves. Very important, because lye is very dangerous. It's the most dangerous chemical used in soap making. So I'll empty my soda or lye into another container so that I can use that same container to get the measurement for my water. You must dissolve your lye or soda with water. You don't just put raw soda into your oil. You have to dissolve it with water. So I will weigh 12 ounces of water. So that's 6, and I'm putting another 6 into the cup, making it 12. So you must turn your lye into your water. You don't do it the other way around to avoid splash, because the moment this solution splashes on you, you will not like the outcome. So you avoid any kind of bad story by doing it the right way. So you turn your lye into the water, then you stir, make sure that everything has mixed well. After that, you keep it to cool down. Lye and water, when they come together, there is an exothermic reaction, meaning that heat is being released. So you keep it to cool down, and while it is cooling, the water will start becoming clear. Right now it is cloudy, so I'll keep it aside for it to cool. Now it's time for me to get the measurement for my oil. I'm measuring 12 ounces of palm kernel oil. Next is that I will now measure 20 ounces of peanut oil. So I'll mix the both oils into one container. So that container has my peanut oil and palm kernel oil. By this time my soda has cooled down to a normal temperature, so I'm going to pour it into my oil and I will start mixing. So I'm using a spoon here to mix it. I'm not using a stick blender, I'm making use of a spoon. If you have a stick blender, you can make use of a stick blender, but I've decided to use a spoon in stirring it. So today I'm making swirl soap. So the method will be a bit different from just other type of soap. So you mixed your oil and the soda has gotten together. Now I will divide it into another container. So that container I'm dividing into will carry the green color. Then this first container will still carry my white color. You stir properly, make sure that everything is completely mixed. If you're not satisfied with the color, you can keep adding till you reach where you want to stop. You keep adding the color till you are satisfied with how it looks. You stir. When you add the color, you stir. Okay, I've added more green color. So keep stirring. If I'm not satisfied, I'll add another green color again till I get to the desired color that I want. I want it to be a little deep green. Added some white color again. I'll keep stirring it. Wow. This is nice. This is beautiful. I'm going to add the fragrance. This my fragrance is a mixture of lavender, vanilla and lemon. I'm making use of those three fragrances. I mixed all of them together to bring out a very nice and appealing scent. Now immediately you put your fragrance in your soap, you realize that it will start becoming very thick. That's why fragrance is always the last thing you put in your soap, because it has a way of speeding up trace. So let it be the last ingredient you put in your soap. Now I'm going to start turning it into my soap mold. Now watch the way I'm going to put it. First of all, I'll start with the white, then the green comes in on top. Now we are making Swirl Soap, which is a colorful soap. So it's usually a soap that comprises of multiple colors. You can use 2, 3 or 4 colors, but I will just work with 2 colors. You can see the order I'm using, the pattern. White first, then green follows, then white again, then green. I'm going to put the white. At this point now, we can put it in an ununiform way. Green, white, green, white, green, white. You can see what we are doing. So don't forget, we are making Swirl Soap. See how beautiful it looks. See how nice and beautiful it looks. So when you're done, we'll have to pound the mold on the base. We heat it so that there won't be any air pockets. We're going to pound it several times so there won't be any air pockets. Any space that is left inside the mold will be covered up. That's why I'm pounding it. I want it to have a nice shape. Now I'll use a stick to mix the colors. You see the way I'm doing it? You can use any pattern you like, but I prefer this pattern. Wow, this is wonderful. I will hit it once more again so that it mixes well inside. And you can see how beautiful it looks. Wow. So now I'm going to keep it for 12 hours so it will become a bit hard. After 12 hours it will become hard. Now I'll take it off the mold and use my soap cutter to cut the soap into several pieces or bars of soap. And that's it. That's the soap. You can see how beautiful they look. So we've come to the end of this video. You can see the swirl soap we made with our palm kernel oil and peanut oil. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.